Hi, welcome to Audrey's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a no-bake peanut butter cookie. Very simple to make. You might have all the ingredients in your pantry. So what we're going to need is half a cup of butter, 1 cup and 3/4 cup of sugar, half a cup of milk, 3/4 cup of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 1/4 cup of quick oats. Okay, so we'll get started. In a medium saucepan, we're going to start by melting the butter. Okay, so we have the butter in there melted. Now we're going to add our sugar, and we're going to add our milk, and we're going to bring this to a boil. So now we're going to stir constantly until it comes to a boil. Once it reaches a boil, we're going to have it boil for 1 minute. Just be careful it doesn't boil over. Now we reached our minute. So now we're going to be adding the peanut butter. Now I sprayed the measuring cup with some cooking spray, so it helped a little bit getting the peanut butter out. This we're going to stir constantly. Okay, we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay. Okay, once you have that all mixed, now we're going to add our quick oats. Stir constantly. Get the oats all incorporated. Very easy cookie to make, especially with the holidays. And once this cools down, it's going to start setting. So at this point, what you do, it's all mixed, it's ready to go. Take a spoonful, however big you want your cookies. Just put it down. Press them down, shape them as a cookie. So once they're cool, they become hard, so you'll be able to pick it up just like a cookie. No need for the oven. And it's a really delicious cookie too, especially if you love peanut butter. So I'm going to continue making these cookies. Here's the final product. And then you just put them in a platter. You can refrigerate them. There's really no need to. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.